there you go. I'm still on vacation, even though even though Paris is home. I feel like I'm everywhere. I spent how many days in my friend's house? I think two days. I decided to change because since I've been to her place, I feel so comfortable. I just stay all day, sleep, eat, sleep, eat, sleep, eat. I said, no, it cannot be like this. You know, some places is so comfortable, you just feel relaxing. I need air. I need to be out. I didn't even go out. We went out to the grocery. It's hot. But the thing also, we went out to the grocery, and after that said, I just eat and sleep. And I said to my friend, I'm leaving because it's in your house, it's too comfortable. Now I just stay sleeping, eating. I just want to be out. And also, I think the reason why my body is really, really tired. So from New York City to Iceland, I stayed 9 hours in Iceland, and I arrived in Paris the next day. And since I arrived in Paris, I kept going from places to places because, listen, since I grew up in Paris, and all my friends that I went to school with, my friends who are my childhood friends, they moving away. Some of them they no longer living in Paris. They live outside in the countryside. I didn't start to go to a countryside. Some of them who used to live close to me, they live a little bit farther. So every time, thank God for this for this one. And everywhere I go, they give me more clothes, more things. I don't know how I'm gonna do to carry everything from France to the United States. But one thing that I can tell you, there's no place like home, the place that you were raised, the place that you have true friends and family and love. I'm in France right now. I feel so warm. I feel so comfortable. I feel so happy. Not because I have much money, but because of the love from my friends. I can just be myself. They know how crazy that I am. They know how loving that I am. And they are too. They are true friends. And it feels so good to have friends that caring for you, that loving you as family. And family is who cares for you, who loves you, and accept you for who you are. And I just feel so great, to be in France, to be back and eating the food without caring because the food is healthy. I just enjoy it.